Hi guys, today what I'm going to do is I'm showing you my bag, what's inside of it. So somebody asking me if I can do the bag thing. So here's my bag and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so we started. So this is my bag, a Gucci bag, and first, of course, I got my Louis Vuitton wallet. It's kind of old, but okay. I love it. I'd never buy that much because I already have this. I got my ID and everything there. It's kind of thick, you know. So that's my Louis Vuitton. And then I got glasses. I'm very addicted of Michael Kors, so I got my Michael Kors glasses. Like that. See? Like, I love this. And I always use this to protect. And then I have my feminine, got my toothpaste, I got the floss, I got for lips Vaseline, got toothbrush, got floss. So, and then I got this right here. I love this kit. This, I bought this in the Philippines, a lot of them. So this is I'm using all the time. So I love this bag, so cool. And then of course I got my Nivea also. Sometimes put it right here in the face too, all over. And then of course I got Tira Bread candy chewing gum. I always do this. Your bread will be fresh. So of course I have a pen. You know, anything when you go fly whatever or something, you need a pen. And then of course I got this Lancome. It smells really good. You put it all over your body, you smell really good on these. It's like a perfume. So I love that. And then I got this Dior perfume. Oh, it smells so good. I love Dior and Lancome. I love that. So, and now I got my comb. Very simple. Got my comb. And then of course I got this for tissue. You know, anything we needed for runny nose, everything. And then here it is, the biggest one. So this is a makeup kit. So I'll show you what's inside of it. Okay, we put this Gucci bag right now, right here. So I'll show you this, what's inside. I got this palette right there. So I've been using this when I go somewhere because it's easy. I got that, and I got this for foam for our foundation. I got this, and I have Estee Lauder matte. It's you know, like that powder. Put it powder like that. Yeah, I love this Estee Lauder. I love Estee Lauder. And I got MAC for my blush on, and blush right there. And I got this, so cute. I love this. Like this, like that. That, see? You see? And then I have this Lancome. Is every night before I do, I put this, and it's like oil to put drops in it, like that. So I always have to have this. And I have Note Retractor, which is Heart Evangelista. Always use this. So I love this. and L'Oreal lipstick. Okay. Like that. And of course I have Revlon color is this. I love that color. And I have this double brush, you know, for whatever, back and forth. And I have this for lip liner. And I have Estee Lauder. It's mascara. It's just my favorite, like that. And I got Clinique. I love Clinique because this I always buy a foundation concealer. It's very nice, like that. See, I used this, like, it took this before it's finished will be like 2 months for this. So also I have this Maybelline for concealer it also, so sometimes I do something, you know, to cover that. Of course, my favorite one, I got Chanel. So I got Chanel right there, Chanel lip gloss, which is I'm using it today, lip gloss Chanel. And I have CoverGirl concealer too, and whatever you do is simple. And I have this. I love ELF because to me it's like spending this. This is really, it takes so long before it, you know, fade in your, you know, eyebrows, eyelashes. This. So I love that. And this is Tarte also. I like the lipstick also like that. So I change. Sometimes I put it all together. And of course I have these cuties, this on itself, or sometimes I do something, whatever. Okay. Of course I have brushes. I have this ELF brushes, my favorite one. I don't have much brushes because it's too much. So I have this, the ultimate for my eyebrows, which is matte. So this is for my eyebrows. And I have this for my eyeliner, blue, because I love blue. And then I have another brush for whatever. Sometimes I'm using that, you know, another small one. And another brush in case I needed to do something. And I have this eyeliner blue again. I do love blue. And I got a cotton pads in case I needed things like that. So and then this, my favorite one. So I think that's about it. That's all I have here in my pouch. So hopefully you guys like it, and thank you for watching. And now you know what's inside my bag. Bye. Thank you.